Hi there, this is AG with another AGIY, hoping to bring you a little inspiration for your own creation. Today's project is an Easter tree. And let me tell you, this one takes me back. Growing up, we always had an Easter tree at our house, and my grandma's house, not to mention. So to start off, you're going to need something for the base. I picked this mug up actually at one of our Goodwill locations in Northwest Ohio here down in Findlay. You're going to need a nice sturdy branch there for your tree. We have some artificial eggs, a variety of paint. You're going to need some foam to be able to stick that tree down into that mug. We have some ribbon, and we have some carrots for accent. It was a little cute little touch at the end. And then I have a variety of brushes. I did try different brushes to see which one covered the eggs better, and I have to say the sponge worked the best. It was a nice thick coat, and it kind of dried more evenly. So to start off, you're going to want to build your tree. Now I took those two pieces of styrofoam there, I hot glued them together, and I gave them a push down in the mug because I really wanted them to be sturdy enough to be able to hold that tree up tall. And then I added some hot glue down there at the bottom of the tree just to help secure that into the mug there. Now, as you see, I'm kind of like adjusting the branches. That comes along later too. I added some moss there just to help cover up the base of that styrofoam and that tree. It really worked, but keep in mind, when you're using hot glue, that moss tends to get a little bit warm. So you see there, I got my finger protector on to help push that down. Now, I had some leftover carrots from another project I had done, and I thought that would be a cute touch to add down there at the bottom. Now, I was once told it's not a craft unless you get messy. Let me tell you, this gets messy. I thought it'd be kind of neat to use a toothbrush to be able to do little sprays of that darker paint on those eggs just to kind of make them look a little bit more realistic. It was a little messy, but it was very fun. Next up, I took this ribbon here, as you can see. I hot glued it on the bottom, I hot glued it on the top, and then I tied it. And then I tied it to the tree. So here you go. Here is my Easter tree. Super cute, super fun, and it really does scream Easter. So if you like that project, like and follow, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys.